Today in class, we did a lab where we determined the density of an unknown solid. Here's the process we went through. Here's how we find the mass of our substance. We pre-weigh the weigh boat. We add the sample to it. We determine the mass of the sample plus the weigh boat. And then we subtract the weigh boat from it, giving us just the mass of the sample. Here's how we find the volume of a sample. We add water to a graduated cylinder, and we write down the initial volume of the sample. We add the entire sample to the water.
24. Do we use a visitor?
Yes. We take the final reading, and then to figure out the volume of the sample, final minus initial. At this point, we had every group write their mass and their volume up on the board, and we use these masses and volumes to calculate density using the formula. Density equals mass over volume. For group number 1, you would take 41 divided by 22 to find the density. We then took the set of data and we used it to make a graph. On the graph, we took mass on the y-axis, volume on the y-axis. We plotted our 4 points, whatever they might be, and then we drew our best fit straight line using a straight edge. Here's a picture of a good straight fit line. Notice they used a straight edge and it covers the average of all of the data points. We then found the slope of the line. To find the slope of the line, we found a point and another point, and we measured the rise over the run. Y divided by x equals our slope, which is also our density. In this lab, we found the density of a solid 2 different ways. First, we did it using single points, using the equation density equals mass over volume. We also found it using a graph, mass over volume, and we found the slope of the line. We were then able to take our calculated density and look up densities of different materials and determine its identity.